In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your total spending on Amazon. This simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser and go to www.amazon.com. Once you're there, look for the sign in button at the top right corner and enter your email and password. Next, hover over accounts and lists and click on orders. By default, Amazon usually displays orders from the past few months or the current year, but you can use the filter at the top of the page to select a specific year. This helps you see your spending for each year separately and makes it easier to identify trends or changes in your shopping. Once you've completed these steps, scroll through your orders to get a complete view of your spending within the selected time frame. After that, you should be able to understand your Amazon spending patterns without any interruptions. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to see your total spending on Amazon easily and efficiently, helping you stay aware of your finances and make smarter choices. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.